Hello, here a quick video about SlimFaas MCP. You have many APIs in your enterprise. SlimFaas MCP helps you to convert them as MCP servers without any APIs modification. It's just use your open API specification to convert it to MCP documentation. And also you can override the default documentations to adapt for an MCP client. If you want to test it, very quick, you can go to the GitHub SlimFaas release page and download the executable for Windows, macOS, Linux. You can use Docker. Here, just one command line, very quick, copy paste it, and that's it. SlimFaas MCP is on. It's just a small proxy. Up, how it works. Here, a small MCP SlimFaas interface. Here, just give it a Swagger URL, a base URL, and then load tools, and it converts it to here MCP documentation. You can see here all active tools that we can use. I will restrict the possible tools to use to that 3.1. Okay. Now, if I'm using MCP client, I just have to use that URL, and I will have just that 3 active tools. Now I want to test one tools. For example, I will test find pet status by status. Here, my documentation is not very clear. I don't understand how it works. I will try that values test. I run. Oh, the answer, allowable values available pending sold. I will enhance the default documentation for my MCP client. So let's go to enhance it. Yeah. Values are possible. Values are that one, available pending sold. Then apply a new URL to contact my to give it to my MCP client dynamically. And now I can just call here. As you can see, the documentation my MCP client will see is updated. Is up to date. Status. So now, for example, pending, BIM. Oh, that's nice. I have information. I want to check available. This simulates what we'll see MCP client, and with MCP, SlimFaas MCP, you will be able to chat, to interact with your existing APIs without any modification. Thank you very much. Give feedback